Children, I would like to give the hint of the questions that I have given you today. Like many of you are making mistake, like how to make x a positive coefficient or positive number. Like you see, in case 1 you will write minus 3 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. So in case 1, what you do, shift minus 2x by 3 from right hand side to left hand side and take minus 3 and take to the right hand side and make it plus. So in this case your x will become positive number, and in case 2 you are going to take second part and third part, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than equal to 5 by 6. In this case what you do, when these two expressions will come in case 2, in this you do one thing, take minus 2x by 3 from left hand side to right hand side and bring 5 by 6 to the left hand side. In this case what will happen, your x will become a positive number or a positive expression. Now in question number 2, you can see x is here also and here also. So in this case what you do, 2x is larger x, greater x, and this 1x is smaller. So in this case 1, what you do, shift this x from right hand side to left hand side and take minus 3 from left to right. And in case 2, as this 2 will come, this 2 expression, x plus 1 less than equal to 4x plus 7. In this case you can see 4x is greater and x is smaller. So here in case 2, shift this x from left hand side to right hand side and shift plus 7 from right hand side to left hand side, and this will become minus plus 7 will become minus. And in question number 3, what you do, as there is only single x, no x this side, and it is in positive form, so let this x be in the same place, don't change in case 1, and better you shift plus 1 by 3 from right hand side to left hand side and the x let it be in the same place. And in case 2 also, as it is positive and there is no x this side, so keep this x plus 1 by 3 as x in the same place and shift plus 1 by 3 to the right hand side. That means what I am actually teaching you, I am just telling you all that do the sums in such a way that for every case, for every question, for every cases, the coefficient x should be in positive, not in negative. And that way if you do, the question is going to become very easy. And I have told you there are so many other ways, and if children you are interested in other method also, I have no objection, but thing is that the conclusion should be correct. If in your own method if you make some mistake and your conclusion is something else, then that will create problems. So you do any method, mine or your own, but conclusion should be same. Okay, thank you children.